Everyone wants to be in the know. And this month, we have some very special things planned just for you.
Wondering what a career in STEM actually looks like after graduation? Check out SNHU's SNHU Alumni at Work, a day in the life videos, featuring SNHU graduates sharing their STEM career journeys, workplace experiences, and insights into their skills that help them succeed. The playlist highlights real-world perspectives from STEM professionals and offers a behind-the-scenes look at various career paths. Whether you're studying cybersecurity, environmental science, computer science, data analytics, IT, game programming, engineering, or another STEM field, these videos can help you explore potential career paths, learn how alumni transition from student to professional, and discover valuable skills employers are looking for. You can watch the entire playlist on our STEM Career 360 page and gain inspiration and ideas for your own career journey.
Sign up for the MFA Wireside chat on Monday, August 10th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time for a conversation with comics professional Buddy Scalera. Buddy is a comic book writer with credits at Marvel, DC, and Image Comics. He has written comics for many years and now runs the free educational website and YouTube channel Comic Book School. You can register below to hear from Buddy about his experience as a comic writer and his tips for a career in comics. Join the Career Services team for a virtual event on Wednesday, August 19th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Tom Armstrong from the Museum of Science in Boston will be discussing the importance of building a professional brand. Learn how to tell your story in a way that resonates with employers and discover new strategies for highlighting your skills and achievements. You can sign up now and don't forget to join us on August 19th.
The National Cyber League competition provides students with experience in solving real-world cybersecurity challenges. All SNHU students and alumni are welcome to sign up and play, no prior experience required. The competition registration opens for all on August 17th and runs through October 9th. You can learn more about the competition and open games at nationalcyberleague.org/competition. Ready to explore careers in cybersecurity and data analytics? Join SNHU Career Services and SNHU faculty for Build Your Path, Cybersecurity and Data Analytics Career Workshops. This 3-part workshop series takes place weekly from August 26th through September 9th and is designed to help you gain industry insights, discover career paths, and learn practical strategies for success in these high-demand fields. Attend one workshop or join all 3 to build your knowledge, expand your perspective, and take the next step towards your future career. Register today and start building your path.
Join us for a live HIM focus session with Aaron Hall, an Optum senior research consultant. Aaron will share real-world insights on the soft skills that matter most and how HIM students can stand out in today's healthcare workforce.
Now you in the know.